Do you know that you can use AI to optimize your current business or to create your new business or new venture? You can start by doing many interesting things like identifying the personas that you will be working with by asking ChatGPT or AI about the personas that will be like the stereotypes of your customer base. Second, you can create like the landing page. Usually when you open Instagram or push or boost your post, and then you need to create something called landing page. So you can use AI to build that landing page instead of paying for consultants to do it. Third thing is like the typical inquiry. What would be the typical inquiry about your business when you will create this? When customers will go to your landing page, how would they respond, and what would be their typical inquiry about this business? The fourth one that we will talk about is like generating sales email. So after we do like everything from creating the landing page, identifying the persona, know their typical questions and be ready to answer that, we need to send them the sales email. So we can draft the sales email using ChatGPT or other AI tools. So let's start with the examples. So the first example would be the persona. I really like this because it will give me an idea about the customers that I will be talking to. So as an education advisor, generate 3 persona I would include in my outreach for new students graduating from grade 12. So as we always say, in your ChatGPT or in your prompt, you need to first identify the role of the machine learning. So it is now education advisor. Generate 3 personas that I should include in my outreach for new students. So the business is new students. The prompt is like generate 3 personas. So the 3 personas are generated, and now I put another one as a marketing executive. Generate 5 personas I should include in my outreach for customer in used car showroom trading. So the 5 personas like the value cautious, the family oriented, adventure seeker, luxury lover, and eco-conscious. So these are the 5 personas that I need to know that I will be dealing with those 5 personas in my business. So I need to be ready to deal with like 5 types of people. And for any other type of business, you can just write your prompt. It will start with the expert, and then expert in the field of your business. Then what do you want? I want to create 3 or 4 personas for my outreach, and then you put what is your business. And using this prompt, you can immediately get the personas for specifically for your business. So let's move to the second one, which is like creating the landing page. Creating the landing page is very interesting. Because when you are having your social media campaign, if you are having your social media campaign and like you boost a post and then you link it to a website, and in that website the user who clicks on that website will be a little bit lost, because we need something called landing page. So let's say, and it's very easy to create a landing page. So what does the prompt say? Create a sales landing page for jewelry design. And then here we go, discover exquisite jewelry design, why choose jewelry design, and then the collections, then shop with confidence, visit boutique, and contact us. In contact us, we need to get the contact of the person. And there is a link to our online store. So in the landing page is crucial when you are using social media or paid advertising, because in the landing page you will create the page where you give a brief description about your business, and the prompt is very easy to create. It is like create a sales landing page for an online tutoring program. So we don't need to put the persona identification at the beginning. We just put it like this, and here we go. We got everything we need for this landing page. All what we need to do in this case is to copy this and paste it in our website and create the link in the website to connect to that landing page. Now we need to say reveal, create a sales landing page for laser clinic. And here we go. It is very simple. And if, for example, I didn't like the rainbow, I can say, please do it again without the rainbow, and it will give me all the information that is needed. Now let's move to the third one, which is like typical inquiry. Why do we need typical inquiry? To be a little bit ready for what the customers might ask for. And the prompt is very easy and very simple. What do we say in the prompt? As a CRM expert, what are the typical inquiries for online tutoring? And when we have that, we got like the general inquiries, tutor qualification. So we need to have answers for all of these to be ready when our customers ask for those specific inquiries. Tutor matching, tutor background, progress tracking, learning material, technical support, progress and feedback, cancellation and rescheduling. So this will help you a lot in managing the expectations of your customers. So let's say 5 bottles and 1 jar in the box, and 1 honey jar. So now we can get more details. What I'm showing you is like we can get more details and what are the other items we have. So we can take this one, and I'm not saying like copy and paste, but what we can do is like we can create the draft email. So after the typical inquiry, now we created the full story by having the landing page, by knowing the persona who we will be working with, and creating typical inquiries prompt, and we know exactly what our customers will be asking for. Now I need to create the sales email because I know their contact, I know what they are looking for, and I know their type. So in the email, I can create a prompt that will do it, or do at least like a draft email, which is as a marketing expert in dealing with customer service for prospective clients, create customized sales email for online tutoring. And here I can put everything I need in the email. So it is online tutoring, 10 classes for 1,200. And here we go with the email that is drafted by AI. So let's say I want to have it for another type of business. What I say as a marketing expert in dealing with customer service for prospective clients, create sales email for homemade organic product. Brand is Nostalgia Organic. Box for 500 AED. Box is for 500 AED, and we can put whatever we have more information to guide the email creation. And then we get like why to choose organic, Nostalgia Organic, introducing the box. So now what I can say like more information. I can give the AI more information. I can say 5 bottles, for example. So today we covered interesting topics to boost or start up your business. The first one is like identifying your personas using AI. The second one, create landing page. The landing page is when the clicks are generated, they need to go to a website or a link. So you put this as your landing page. The third one is like identify the typical inquiries that we will get from our customers according to our business and our personas. The fourth one is like identify what personas are we dealing with And the last one is like generating emails based on the persona, on the type of business, typical inquiries, and the landing page. I hope you enjoyed today's session. So let's stay together and let's learn together, and see you in the next episode.